Alrighty, guys. I don't really make videos like this often, but I want to talk about RGTI as it's one of the biggest movers that we've seen in quite some time. This thing is sitting at $55, and even after hours, it has also went up even more, coming up into the $57. This is what we call a short squeeze type of pattern, where the stock just is just running up and running up. Whether it be fundamentally, should it be over here? Probably not, but the market does what it wants, right? So when I'm looking at this as a technical standard, perspective lens and all that, I want to look at it like with my system. What does my system tell me about this? And honestly, quite frankly, guys, I think this thing is probably going to drop, you know, pretty hard, or have a nice little correction. Okay, I shouldn't use pretty hard because no one knows exactly, but when I'm looking at this system here, we are at this upper band. We have not touched this EMA 20 in quite some time. So anytime you don't touch this EMA 20 when on a daily time frame in 2 months is considered long. The last time we touched it was way back in here. You see how we are very bullish because we're above these bands, but as you can see right here is 909 and the current date is 1013. So you're coming into over a month, and you can see how everything, you know, when price pulls back, they will come to these EMAs. This is where you want to get into the entries, right? When price does a bull flag, it consolidates or cools off, as you can see right in here. This is what you want to see is the cool off phase, right? And when it does that, you can see right here, boom, bull flag out, comes back up. We're going to have another consolidation phase, and it would be something like this. You know, you go up, we went up massive, pull back, make another big move. Go up, go massive, pull back, make another move, or plummet down. Those are the two options that I'm seeing, of course. Now, what I would like to tell you guys is sometimes when you look at a weekly chart like this is very abnormal. I don't see this often. I mean, look at the monthly chart. This is extremely rare. All right. This stock has been going up monster, and I don't want anyone to catch the top and be like, is this thing ever going to come up into the $50 range? Okay, I don't want anyone to. I've seen this many times when I did a video on Burrow on these supernovas that just keep going up and up and up. This thing went down. We see this happen a lot. It doesn't seem like it's going to go down till it does, right? When you least expect it. But um, and my thing here is I definitely can see us coming down to the 10 and the 20. Where would I look to take an entry? Well, if you already missed the 10 in this consolidation phase, that was the entry to get in. If it does that again, you definitely need to wait for a pullback. Now, for me, I would not mind looking to short this. How I look to short this is I would wait for that 15 minute to see if the market opens up and we get this beautiful upper touch. I would love to look into some puts and take it how I would on a day trading side of the spec, because if I'm looking to get into a nice entry, I need to see that 1 and that 15 minute touching this upper band together. This 1 minute will give you those most precise entries because, as you know, price will revert to the mean in every time frame. Price will go up, come back down. Price will go up, come back down. But if it touches that upper band, that's where you get the most precise entry. And that's what I'm seeing right now with RGTI. I'll be watching this thing maybe for a put opportunity. And see if we can come into this upper band, seeing how the daily is extremely overextended, the weekly is extremely overextended, and even the monthly. Okay, so this thing is at a supernova opportunity. It will definitely revert back to the mean. It will definitely have a pullback. How fast it pulls back, nobody knows. But we've seen this many times with this system, where this rally will end. Things don't just go straight up in line. We have to wait for what? The consolidation phase or the pullback. This is what you want to see, is the bull flag opportunity, where price is doing a motion like this, and that is called your bull flag, where it goes up, consolidates, pulls back, makes this is the retest phase is what they call it, goes all the way back up, and then you have your new bull flag, right? And then it's eventually going to look like this, where it pulls back some, and then before it either breaks out again or just goes to the other way and it plummets down. That's what you're looking at right now. This is not healthy movement right now, so we do need that pullback. So please be patient on this one. I'm not saying, this is like short it right off the bat. My criteria to short this thing will be waiting for the 15 and the 1 minute. I will be doing this in the Discord live, day trading this, so stay tuned for that. If I do see this touch a 15-minute and a 1 minute, this will be one of the best shorting opportunities for me, because also if you look at the option chain on the contracts, they have very good option chain. This thing has pretty decent, right? 320 over 365. Usually what I look for is around that $1 mark. I probably go a little farther out, but that's what I do in the Discord live every day. Is I day trade live, and I look for these imbalanced moves where it just goes up too much and price needs to pull back. We know this EMA 20 will get hit. As you can see, either price comes to it, or the EMAs come to it, or price goes away from it, or price goes to it. So what we're looking for is that big, imbalance zone. 15-minute, 1 minute, and of course, daily is just extremely overextended. All right, guys, I just want to make a quick video. Let me know what you think about RGTI. Do you think this is going to keep going up? What do you see in it? Obviously, with my system, I've seen this play out many times. I think we're going to have a monster pullback, and it's not like that's bad. That's just a healthy movement to the downside. All right, so this is one of my top alerts for puts coming into, it's October 13th, coming in tomorrow. And like I said, everything has to align. I have to have my 15-minute, have to have my 1 minute touch, and that's going to give me the most precise sniper entry for the top side. We already have a monster daily showing us, a weekly showing, a monthly, but you can see how everything reverts to the mean. Like, look at this, 15-minute goes up. Just using the 15-minute alone, you see how price is pulling back because this is unsustainable. But once you get a 15 and a 1 minute, and if you catch the top on these, and this thing just comes tumbling down, your puts are going to print a lot of money. And as always, like I said in the day trade, let's say this was, had this time distance, and we caught this on both time frames. If it pulls back to the 20, I always go break even. That way, if it isn't the top, it could at least you just break even. I'll discuss more about this in the Discord. I'll let you guys know, but definitely going to have a lot of eyes on RGTI, as this is definitely one of the biggest movers right now, and so we'll get our eyes on that. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're more than welcome to join. You guys are going to love this community. For a lifetime discount, you can get in for only $12 a month. You can have all my indicators. I have a bot that alerts when things hit my bands. And it's just a great community with live streams every day. I go live every day, alert my trades, swing trading education we have. So it's all there for you guys. I hope you guys do like this, my analysis. Let me know what you guys think. And if you want to join the Discord, it's only $12 a month. Hit how to subscribe down here and hit day trade alerts. Use a computer, and it's only $12 a month. You'll find the link to the Discord down in the YouTube comments below, and it will be pinned. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all the support, guys. I try to put out videos about my strategy. This doesn't mean I'm, this is the only strategy you have to do. This is just how I like to trade. I'm a reversion to the mean type of trader. I know that everything in price will revert to the mean, and that's going to be your EMAs. Specifically, the 20 gets hit a lot. And when I look at this, I use time distance. I know this is due for a pullback, just like when price was up here. We knew that was due for a pullback, and now we're getting into the extreme overextended. All right, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about it. Join the Discord for a promotional video for only $12 a month. You'll get access to a lifetime discount, and I'll see you guys there. I go live every day, and let's make some money tomorrow. Peace out.